The legal fight wey dey between the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the All Progressive Congress (APC), plus the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and Governor Monday Okpebholo still continue for the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal. The tension between APC supporters and the private security wey dey follow Dr. Aso Ighodalo, the PDP governorship candidate, continue to dey rise as kasala burst when APC supporters wey dey led by the Edo APC youth leader Tony Adu, wey pipo sabi as Kabaka, tok say dem go remain for the tribunal premises unless the security agencies remove the private securities wey dey follow Dr. Ighodalo. The matter turn into hot argument, and as ten sion dey rise, tori pipo wey dey cover the case come begin get trouble from one DSS officer wey try stop dem from doing their work.
Listen to me.
Listen to Tony.
Okay. We don't create tension where there's no tension.
No press. Yes.
Listen.
We have been here together. Nobody has stopped.
Can I just like a people record?
No, talk.
Okay, now good.
Talk.
Today we are having peace there all over the court.
Yes.
If not the way and manner we piloted that first day,
Yes.
I think here could have been rowdy.
Yes.
What happened today?
Yes.
If you want my boy to leave, tell those bosses. People are inside, let them leave.
Tony, Tony,
Let me finish. If you go there now, they will tell you because why they are inside the body are weaknesses. We have a lot of weaknesses. If they didn't call you to the court premises, you don't supposed to go. The youth leader is here, that is one. Yes.
What I want to do is allow them identify their weaknesses. Then others that are going
not even that. Sir, not even that. When our people came, allow us to talk. When our people
anywhere they trouble, not they if you don't let me pilot this thing, there will be no trouble here.
Upstairs, we told them to come out for the court.
Okay, hold on. Take me.
If you overreacted, don't do that next time. You're trying to explain it.
Don't do
Swear, all these men that you are seeing, including that boy, Paul, look at them. I know all of them.
I know it without swear.
That's what we want to see here today.
He's the one that's using police uniform.
Okay, me myself, I have a security. I asked them to wait outside. As we cannot be bringing security here to intimidate us.
He did the first day. He's trying to do it again.
We will not do it. Especially this boy, this DSS boy.
We know.
You must have problem here. You, this boy, is as well president security agency.
Officer.
That boy. Come and record this boy. Come and record this DSS.
We are doing something.
That guy that's going, come look at it. Come and look at it. I know what I'm saying. Look at it. It's a better security to us.
Go to side.
Come and look at it. Stop it. Look at it. Even when
What's happening there?
Let them go outside.
Let them go outside.
Somebody else and you're going somebody to somebody is intimidating you. With this time you are I don't know the policeman. Let me
You are very mad.
What nonsense is that? What nonsense? What nonsense?
Don't worry. As you take all the harassing we go, just everything them my own.
What nonsense is that?
No be journalists the same one.
What nonsense is that?
No be journalists the same one.
What nonsense is that?
It's okay.
Hey, okay, easy. I should play for you. I should play for you. No, I should play for you. What is that? So why must you harass you? What is the topic?
Now here we know ourselves.
That person who walked today.
So you go to come down. I say come down, continue your work.
What nonsense?
Now police will tell you.
Protect your camera. If you don't scatter
What nonsense?
Who break and go buy them?
Even with all the wahala and the tension wey dey rise from the tribunal premises, the court no stop proceedings or delay am. Una go remember say on Saturday, January 18, 2025, the PDP tender more documents wey go help their petition as them challenge the declaration of Senator Monday Okpegolo of the APC as the winner of Edo State governorship election. Na sake of that, the tribunal adjourned the hearing to Monday, January 20, 2025. The tribunal resumed on Monday with the petition wey Dr. Aso Ighodalo and PDP filed to challenge the victory of Senator Okpegolo as the lead counsel for the petitioners, Ken Moza SAN, continued to tender documents wey go support their case. He tendered 55 certificates of true copies of voters' registers from the polling unit plus 56 copies of accreditation figures wey dem extract from INEC biometric voter accreditation system BVAS. The councils wey represent INEC, Senator Okpegolo and the APC all raise objection, said the documents no dey admissible. Kanu Agabi SAN wey represent the first respondent INEC talk say the documents never dey verified by all the parties before the petitioners tender am, while Ofiong and Ferdinand Obi wey represent the second and third respondent APC and Senator Okpegolo come talk say dem go give the reasons for their objection later during the final stage of the case, but the tribunal admits the forms EC8A as evidence. Una go note say on Monday, January 20, 2025, the court supposed start hear from witnesses, but the counsels for the respondents object say the witness list no meet the required 24-hour notice period. Say they submit the list around 9:45 a.m. on the same day when the proceedings start by 10 a.m. Say the time too short to do proper check and balance before they start to take witness statements. One of the legal advisors for APC, Stephen Okuro, after the hearing, can give Tori people updates on top the day's proceedings.
The court today was for them to start taking witnesses, PDP, but the councils to APC, INEC, and the governor objected to it that the schedule of witnesses ought to have been served on them 24 hours before they start taking witnesses. But they just filed it today and served it on them by 9:45 a.m. and because they're sitting by 10 a.m. And now said they just serve them. They need to go through the schedule of witnesses, then look at the witnesses they're going to take their statement, juxtapose them with the SCPs they're going to tender through them. And so they said it was too short. Time is too short. Court on its own, in their wisdom, said there should be fair hearing. On that, they now adjourn this matter to tomorrow. Any person has right to say anything. If there's issue of threat, it is the duty of the police to investigate and come to the tribunal to say there was actually a threat and all that. But in the absence of that, the court has no power, has no duty to pick and choose.
Sake of the objections and the need for more discussions, the tribunal come adjourn hearing to Tuesday, January 21, 2025. Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not to take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.